What's goody YTBC? What's good fight fans, boxing heads around the world? Be Marsh with another boxing video. So the man Adrien Broner has been ordered by a Cincinnati judge to get 30 days in jail after he arrived 3 hours late for a court date, you know what I mean? So he's been ordered to serve 30 days in jail for contempt of court. Now the man Adrien Broner had a court date for the alleged incident at the bowling alley where he allegedly snuffed a man, knocked him out, and took 12 G's from him. You know what I mean? 12 G's that the dude won from a gambling debt with Adrien Broner at the bowling alley. You know what I mean? Allegedly, the man won 12 grand from the man Adrien Broner while they were betting on a bowling game. So allegedly, Broner snuffed the man and he got his money back. You know what I mean? Took the money from him. So, anyways, allegedly, supposedly, the guy he settled out of court with Adrien Broner, and apparently the judge was even going to dismiss this case out with Adrien Broner because the case was still being pressed the state was pressing charges still on Adrien Broner, but apparently he was going to get the case dismissed, but he arrived 3 hours late and the judge threw the book at him, you know what I mean? He threw the book at him and he gave him 30 days in jail, you know what I'm saying? So he's due back in court on August, I think the 18th, you know what I'm saying? Next month after he serves his 30 days in jail. And I don't know, who knows, maybe they might reopen the case, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? For Adrien Broner's sake, he better hope they still throw it out and dismiss the case, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, the man definitely got a family, you know what I'm saying? He got plenty of kids, you know? He got his lady, so them fellas got to handle his business and stay out of prison, you know what I mean? You know, this man's a young man and, you know, it looks like his life is spiraling downwards, you know what I'm saying? And hopefully he gets his stuff together, you know what I mean? You know, he probably at this moment, he probably should have taken that Manny Pacquiao fight because Lord knows them lawyer fees ain't cheap, you know what I'm saying? You know, having your attorney on retainer is not cheap. And, you know, before he knows it, you know, his money going to be running short, you know what I'm saying? The way he be throwing money around, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, we was actually looking up with the man Beats and EJ, you know what I'm saying? We was looking at these guys' net worth, you know what I mean? And we were surprised to find out how low Adrien Broner's net worth is, you know, considering the man has been in boxing for a while and has been a star, you know what I mean? He's one of the more recognizable boxers in the boxing game, you know what I'm saying? Look at guys like Danny Garcia's net worth. You know, Danny Garcia seems like he's a smart young man. He got investments, you know, he got businesses in Philly, and you know, the man and looks like he's a humble guy and he's definitely taking care of his business, you know. Maybe the man Adrien Broner could learn something from him because, you know, the man Danny Garcia is still undefeated, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, that's what it is with Adrien Broner, man. He gets 30 days in jail for contempt of court for arriving 3 hours late. You know, actually what the man said, you know, the judge asked Adrien Broner, you know, you look kind of hungover or something, you know what I'm saying? Because the man allegedly appeared drunk in court, you know? And the man had the nerve to tell the judge that he thought that somebody slipped something in his drink the night before, and that was his excuse and reason for being late, you know? Man, the judge ain't trying to hear that, man. So, you know, the judge told the man, you know, I quote, he said he's going to coin a boxing phrase and told Adrien Broner, you're not ducking this one, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, the man Adrien Broner is not showing responsibility. If the man arrived early, that's one thing. If you got a court date, man, you better be there on time, you know what I mean? If he arrived early, the case would have been dismissed and he would have been out of there, you know what I'm saying? Just last week, Adrien Broner was with his family in Puerto Rico on a vacation, you know. He had it on Instagram, you know what I'm saying, all kind of flicks on Instagram, you know what I mean, hashtag vacation, you know what I'm saying. So the man was living life a week ago. Now, in the next month, the man's going to be behind bars, you know what I'm saying, in there with nothing but dudes, stinking-ass dudes, and you know, it's just jail's not the place to be, man. And it's crazy how a guy like Adrien Broner, a millionaire, has to go back and forth from jail. You know, just had the fight in D.C. versus Ashley Theophane. The fight only could have gone on. The D.C. Boxing Commission said, we'll only have the fight if you promise to turn yourself in Monday morning to the, state of Ohio and city of Cincinnati to turn yourself in. So, for a young man who supposedly, it looks like ever since the man has been going through his public feuds with Floyd Mayweather, it looks like the man can't control himself, you know what I mean? And he might just be an alcoholic like the man Floyd Mayweather said, you know what I mean? Floyd Mayweather said it actually, he couldn't have said it any better. He said, is Adrien Broner, is he a gangster? Is he a rapper? You know what I'm saying? Is he a boxer or is he a porn star? You know what I mean? AB got to pick his lane, man. You got to find out what you really want to do, man. If you don't want to do this boxing, you want to do all this other stuff, then, man, I suggest, man, you just better do what's best for you and your family, man, and take another route. Because, for a young boxer, he's not even 27 years old, He's a 4-time title holder, you know what I'm saying? It's a damn shame, man. So let me know what you guys think about Adrien Broner serving 30 days in jail. If he came to court, the man the case would have been dismissed. He would have been with his kids and his family right now. And let me know what you guys think about his situation. And let me know what you guys think about him also turning down the money to fight Manny Pacquiao. You think it's a wise move right now, or should he take the fight right now? Alright, let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, hit that thumbs up. And please subscribe. And thank you for listening. Peace.